गलती को अनदेखा मत करो। Do not overlook the mistake. Do not overlook the mistake. ट्रैफिक बहुत धीमे चल रहा है। Traffic is moving at a snail's pace. Traffic is moving at a snail's pace. सारा खाना बेकार हो जाएगा। All the food will go waste. All the food will go waste. तुम नहीं आओगे, बात खत्म। You will not come. End of story. You will not come. End of story. कुछ मत कहो अब, बात खत्म। Don't say anything now. End of story. Don't say anything now. End of story. अपने खर्चे पर घूमने जाओ। Go to Rome at your expenses. Go to Rome at your expenses. थोड़ी देर हो जाएगी। It will be a little late. It will be a little late. मैं अपने पिताजी से डरता हूँ। I am afraid of my father. I am afraid of my father. ये फिल्म देखने लायक है। This movie is worth watching. This movie is worth watching. मुझे जबरदस्ती वहाँ जाना पड़ा। I had to go there forcibly. I had to go there forcibly. तुम्हें किस पर शक है? Whom do you suspect? Whom do you suspect? मुझे बस 15 मिनट लगेंगे। It will take me just 15 minutes. It will take me just 15 minutes. मेरा सपना बहुत बड़ा है। My dream is very big. My dream is very big. ये तो रोज की बात है। It is a matter of every day. It is a matter of every day. मैं दीवार से टकरा गया। I bumped into the wall. I bumped into the wall. बताओ क्या बात है? Tell me what is the matter. Tell me what is the matter. तुम्हारा दिमाग फिर गया है क्या? Have you lost your mind? Have you lost your mind? मैं वहाँ क्यों जाऊँगा? Why would I go there? Why would I go there? तुम्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए। You should feel ashamed. You should feel ashamed. इसे सीधा पकड़ो। Hold it right side up. Hold it right side up. मेरे पास 20 रुपए कम पड़ गए हैं। I am short by 20 rupees. I am short by 20 rupees. पार्टी में जाऊं या ना जाऊं? Whether I go to the party or not. Whether I go to the party or not. मैं बैंक के चक्कर लगाते लगाते थक गया हूँ। I am tired of making rounds of bank. I am tired of making rounds of bank. खाना अच्छी तरह चबाओ। Chew the food well. Chew the food well. तुम पूरे के पूरे पागल हो। You are out and out mad. You are out and out mad. इस घर का किराया कितना है? What is the rent for this house? What is the rent for this house? मेरा एक कॉल आने वाला है। I am expecting a call. I am expecting a call. मरने से सभी डरते हैं। Everyone is afraid of dying. Everyone is afraid of dying. 6 महीने हो गए हैं। It has been 6 months. It has been 6 months. फर्नीचर किराए पर ले लो। Rent the furniture. Rent the furniture. मुझे समझा दो क्या करना है. Explain me what to do. Explain me what to do. सच कहूँ तो तुम बहुत सुंदर हो. Truth be told, you are so beautiful. Truth be told, you are so beautiful. मैंने तुम्हें उल्लू बनाया. I tricked you. I tricked you. ज़्यादा भाव ना खाओ. Do not act so pricey. Do not act so pricey. ये वाला कैसा रहेगा? How about this one? How about this one? मेरी नाक में दम मत करो. Do not get on my nerves. Do not get on my nerves. घर में सब कैसे हैं? How is everyone at home? How is everyone at home? गहरे रंग तुम पर अच्छे लगते हैं. Dark colors suit you. Dark colors suit you. तुमने टी-शर्ट का गला उल्टा पहना है. You are wearing t-shirt back to front. You are wearing t-shirt back to front. वो तुम्हें जेल करा देगा. He will get you jailed. He will get you jailed. ये तो बस छोटी सी चोट है. This is just a small injury. This is just a small injury. एक दिन तुम अकेले रह जाओगे. One day you will be left alone. One day you will be left alone. ऐसे कैसे उसने तुम्हें मार दिया? How come he hit you? How come he hit you? बड़ों जैसा व्यवहार मत करो. Do not behave like elders. Do not behave like elders. क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit here? May I sit here? ये फ़ोन भारत में बना है. This phone is made in India. This phone is made in India. ये मेरे भाई की घड़ी है. This is my brother's watch. This is my brother's watch. चिंता से मेरा वजन घट गया. Anxiety made me lose weight. Anxiety made me lose weight. आज मेरा समय नहीं कट रहा. I can't pass my time today. I can't pass my time today. पूरी दुकान छान मारो. Ransack the entire shop. Ransack the entire shop. हम एक दूसरे को नहीं जानते. We do not know each other. We do not know each other. अब बचा ही क्या है खाने को? Now what has left to eat? Now what has left to eat? कितनी गंदी है ये जगह. How dirty this place is. How dirty this place is. बगीचे की घास काट दो. Trim the grass of the garden. Trim the grass of the garden. मैं इस नौकरी से तंग आ गया हूँ. I am fed up with this job. I am fed up with this job. मेरे गाल पर चिकोटी मत काटो. Do not pinch my cheek. Do not pinch my cheek. अब बहस बंद करो. Stop the argument now. Stop the argument now. मुझे अपने किए पर पछतावा नहीं है. I do not regret my action. I do not regret my action. ये जहाज जयपुर जा रहा है. This plane is flying to Jaipur. This plane is flying to Jaipur. ये पंखा ठीक से चल नहीं रहा है. This fan is not moving properly. This fan is not moving properly. अपना नाटक बंद करो अब. Stop your drama now. Stop your drama now. आज जी भरकर मस्ती करो. Enjoy to your heart's content today. Enjoy to your heart's content today. मतलब की दुनिया है. The world runs on self-interest. The world runs on self-interest. मेरा ये मोबाइल 1 साल तक चला. My this mobile lasted for 1 year. My this mobile lasted for 1 year. तुम्हारी मेहनत रंग लाएगी. Your hard work will pay you off. Your hard work will pay you off. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.